Good morning, everyone. My name is Kavila. I'm a research scholar, Department of Computer Science, University of Madras, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, under the guidance of Professor Dr. P.L. Chitra, Department of Computer Science, University of Madras, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. My area of interest is related to UAV communication using digital image processing with AI technology. I published three papers. One is related to UAV communication, object detection, and computer vision based object detection and recognition. In that, I classified into whether the feature of drone and conflicts with the birds. In that, I classified into drone, whether the image is drone or bird. We used more than 2000 images for that, particularly 150 images for testing and validation part. It gave the better accuracy for the results. And another paper is related to uh, phase shift data augmentation method for object detection. In that, we gave the better result in the phase shift method with normal traditional method. And another journal is related to UAV communication in swarm formation method. In that, swarm formation can be given by even method or odd method. The pattern will be considered as a even number of drones can be communicate with another drones. So it was published in international conference, and now I'm going to do the work with a parallel leader follower method. The leader follower method can be given some results. And I attended so many seminars and webinars, and attended internships on Northeastern Space Application Center in Meghalaya. It is related to water resource management and forest disaster management with the remote sensing method. Um, Now I was selected for international internship pilot program in National Ilan University in Taiwan. My area of related work is related to UAV communication with pattern recognition in swarm formation method. So advanced swarm formation method can be used in the high altitude platform formation method. Here we are going to write about the review paper. It is mostly related to high altitude platform where in stratosphere and troposphere, how the flying objects can be capture the images in the ground floor. So ground station communication and stratosphere and troposphere flying objects can be get the better communication in the around 17 to 22 kilometers. So we are going to give the survey report related to apps. I thank you for the given opportunity. Thank you once again. My supervisor is CT Vangsar in the National Ilan University. Um, Thank you for giving this opportunity.